Hello everyone, welcome to Premium Bot and Binary Trading Group. Today I'll be teaching you the technique that nowadays I'm using. We go to this Firefox, or this technique works only on Firefox because we will be using this iMacros script here. We will be purchasing two options at the same time. So alright, let's quickly begin then. First of all, go to Google, type WebTrader, or you can directly type www.webtrader.binary.com. Alright, save it. And yeah, you have to install this iMacros as well in Firefox. So alright, I'll continue in next video. We'll work only on this Firefox, because we will be using this iMacros script and we will be purchasing two options at the same time. So alright, for example, let's say I have entered 2 USD in DigiDiffer bot, and let's say, alright, what we're gonna do is just open www.webtrader.binary.com and go to trade, select volatile indices, continuous indices, volatile 10, and again do the same thing so that you will get two boxes here. Go to workspace and click on arrange, so they will be automatically arranged. Alright, select digit, and in this box you will be selecting digit over. Similarly, here we will be selecting digits, and here we will be selecting digit under, and on right hand side we will be selecting number 5, on left hand side we will be selecting 4. Look at these settings and make sure you do the exactly you do the same, because if you'll change something, then there must be you will mess up with everything. So make sure that everything remains same. Digits, stake, USD, duration 5 ticks, 5, one is over, one is under. Alright, let's begin. Alright, I'll continue in next part. Alright, it's third part. Look at the setting once again. So everything must be similar to this. I mean, if you will set everything, make sure you set everything accordingly to this video, or else everything will be messed up. Look at everything, look at this carefully. Alright, so let's begin. I have entered 1 USD here, 1 USD here. Alright, so for 1 USD our overall profit will be 0.44 USD. This is how it goes: tick 1, tick 2, tick 3, tick 4, and this is our last tick. Alright, bingo. So here our overall profit is our loss is -1 and our profit is plus 1.44. So overall profit with 1 USD stake is 0.44 USD. Alright, you can also start with 10 USD if you have big balance. Alright, but if you are having balance of like 100 USD, I recommend you to start with 1 USD and make sure to stick to your target, like 10 USD, 20 USD per day. That's it, until and unless you are expert in this, because it's very necessary to give some gap between all the trades. Alright, okay, let's do this again. Tick 1, tick 2. So we will only lose both the boxes if our last digit comes 4 or 5. Like here it's 0, so it's winning trade, and our overall profit is 0.44. We are in profit 0.44 USD. So okay, till now we are 0.44 plus 0.44, so it's 0.88 USD in profit. It's our third trade. Let's take the third trade then. Tick 1, tick 2, tick 3. If the last digit will come 4 or 5, then we will lose both the trades. Alright, it's 6, so it's again a winning trade. It's 0, so this time also profit is 0.44. so we have won 3 trades. So just calculate your profit per each trade. For each trade we are getting 0.44 USD profit. Alright, let's do this again. Tick 3, tick 4, tick 5, 7. Alright, again it's a winning continuously, 4 trades I won. It's not like that every time you will win, because if you will get number 4 or number 5 on the 5th tick, then you will lose both sides. Okay, so never be greedy, and never start with a big stake. Alright, like I know I have also done few things, but sometimes I also take like 50 USD stakes. But I recommend, first of all, just get to know how these things work. After how much time you should take each trade. I mean, you should know each and everything. So if you will practice for a week, then you will come to know the tricks and tactics. Alright, let's take the 5th one. Tick 1, tick 2, tick 3, tick 4, tick 5. Alright, so 5 trades I have won. So 0.44 into 5, just calculate your profit. So this is once you recovered 2 USD stake, that is that you have lost in Digidiffer bot. Once you have recovered from here, again you can resume the Digidiffer bot. So slowly and gradually your balance will keep on increasing. Just it's very awesome technique, you will love this. And personally I have made $1,000, more than 1,000 USD just in 5 days. I started from $1,200, and in 5 days I have made 23. I have converted this 1,200 to 2,300 by this and Digidiffer technique. And so that's it, keep practicing. And one more thing I'll recommend, that just open 5 tabs, and for every tab open different market, like volatile 10 index, volatile 25, 75, 100. So for example, if you are losing 1 USD in volatile 10, switch to different tab, okay, and change the stake amount to 1, I mean the martingale step, the next step, like 4 USD or 3 USD, whatever. Just calculate your that trade accordingly, and do the next trade in 25. If in case you will lose 25, then again do the next trade in volatile 75. So this way, if you are doing a trade in different market, so your winning percentage will be definitely more. So that's it guys, thank you so much. Feel free to ask me anything. Thank you.